Tree, he gets a touch. Would I go
MJ?
mid? MJ,
MJ!
they force a game
We go
7.
to a game 7! MJ forces a game 7! Blizzard Eternal
Oh my
and the
God.
University and Eternal have life! Ladies and gentlemen! Oh my God! It's nobody else than MJ!
Oh my. We know the game 7 after it started out 3-0. Now it's 3-3.
Kool-Aid, pass to Derek. Maybe get something off here. And it might be in. But can't put it in though.
And how she holds us feeling like we've been here before. We're both so broke, that's something that'll keep us afloat. Don't want to slow, we can't keep falling.
I think Blizzard Eternal are one of the most underrated teams in all of the league. Even though they made the championships, there's still so much doubters about this team.
Eternal definitely not the flashiest team, but when the starters on Eternal are playing amazing, it's over.
Here we go, Clarity takes it to the sky. Clarity off the backboard. Looking for the double tap.
We've all been here
He's
before.
done it. Clarity double tap, impossible angle for the number positive player in the league. I think now with Blizzard Eternal picking up Legacy, I think a lot of the attention has to be on Clarity and Legacy. Clarity, top 12 defensive player in the league in stats-wise, and Legacy in SSL that never had a chance to prove himself. I want to see what Eternal can do with Legacy.
The sub for Blizzard Eternal, and I am probably the most clutch player. I think that they'll be able to definitely get to the grand finals. I think all the other teams aren't as good as they are.
Hello, I am Sync, and I am the captain for Blizzard Eternal. Okay, so me personally, since I'm the best player in the world, right? Kaihaku is the worst team to me. They are completely dog shit compared to what. Like, we're 3-0 here. We're 3-0 we go. No cap.
7-1.
Clarity off the ceiling. That's the angle for the win! Oh! He's done it!
But it's not gonna work. Chrissy gets it into the midfield. Andre's there. Andre sniping the upper 90.
Clarity, also known as Atomic/Klyzik, one of the best defensive players in the league, but he's always overlooked for his offensive plays.
Sync, in my opinion, is definitely the most underrated player on the team. I feel like Clarity has proved what he can do. He's in a spot where he's going to be able to go to yet another grand finals. He's 0-3 in the grand finals this season, 0-2 in the regular season in the grand finals. I want to see that change.
Hello, my name is Lewis, and I'm an analyst, and Blizzard Eternal is like something I've been analyzing for quite a bit of time. Blizzard has some amazing players, including MJ, Slippery, Legacy, Clarity, and Sync as a team cap. Even if people say that some of these players have been falling apart, it's an amazing talent, and when you give these players space, they will use space. They will use the space like any others. But when they, for example, they reverse swept C4 Elite, aka the Dark Falcons. With Kaihaku being their first matchup in the championship, they need to absolutely just peak or just play good, because when they play good, they can take down almost any team. And you can see that they reverse swept C4 Elite, and let's see if they can beat Kaihaku and Eternal's all about the mental. So let's see how they fare up against Kaihaku with a new addition to Legacy to the roster. In event 5, they picked up Clarity, which was the best pickup for them, and led them to the grand finals.
Hi, my name is Clarity, and I'm a player for Blizzard Eternal. Ever since I joined Eternal, we've been playing amazing. We can pass and find each other on the field, and our defense is like a brick wall.
Blizzard Eternal in the championship is definitely top 4 in my mind. At least they're beating Unix B and aggressiveness, so let's see how this plays out.
With Eternal picking up Legacy, he's pretty solid. I believe we can go far. People have always said I'm underrated or they overlook me, but as a starter, you must know I bring good vibes to keep the mental focus.
Blizzard Eternal have had a long and rough ride, especially Sync, who has been on this Blizzard organization since October of 2021, almost 10 months. but this team is definitely going to be a big threat, but they've had a long and tough ride. Event number 1, they were on Axe Esports. Axe, they were amazing. They did top 8 in event 1. They didn't make it out of group stage for event number 2, but that same event in group stage, they defeated GenXB but lost in the tiebreaker to Vandal to make it out. But in event 3, under the name of MPG Esports, they didn't make better than top 12, but in event number 4, they reversed swept C4 Elite and then made top 4, and then with Clarity, with the pickup of Clarity in event number 5, they made the grand finals against taking down some of the best teams in the entire league, including in the group stage C4 Red, who took down C4 Elite in the playoff bracket. So Blizzard Eternal, definitely an experienced team. Can't wait to see them this time around in the championships.
Something I want to mention before we go is everything in this video, in this montage, was made by Clarity. Yes, Kayahaku is probably the best defensive team in the entire league, but Clarity, in my opinion, the best individual defensive player in the championships. This guy will not let you score more than a goal per game. He has the lowest goal per game percentage scored on him this entire season, so I can't wait to see him in the championship.